You guys know about the Rhizosorb fertilizer that we've been using. Got some stuff on it, helps the plant take up the phosphorus better, helps use less of it, so it's cheaper, less runoff, less waste, all that stuff. So, and it costs 20% less. So you seen us put it on. You seen us tissue test it. Now today you're gonna see us cut it. David's doing some testing. This is where we put the Rhizosorb on, with the Rhizosorb fertilized. Got some stuff on it, makes your plant take up the phosphorus better. You're supposed to be able to use 50% less phosphorus and still be as good, and it costs 20% less. So, as long as it's as good, that's a win. Picks up any yield, well, that'd be a double win.
So we are cutting beans in Indiana today. Made it over here yesterday evening, so we're in southern Knox County now. Cut beans down here in the bottoms. Pretty good beans where they're irrigated. Anyway, so I just did a fertilized test. We had a small strip of stuff to try out. I think you were supposed to be able to use 50% less P on your ground, and it's cheaper, I believe, as a result. So I did a round and a half down here, big. We're in here in one of our better fields, big field, cutting. I think they're 4.2 Pioneer beans, 42A83, I think. Anyway, with no Rhizosorb on it, my average for that round and a half was 83 bushel an acre, and with the Rhizosorb, using it, it was 84.3. So about 1.3 bushel better with the Rhizosorb. So I guess it was cheaper and it's better, we'll maybe keep doing a little more every year. We shall see. A little bit better with it, about 1.2, 1.3 bushel better with it. That's a small sample size. We just had it here in the one field. So try it again next year. We'll see.
There goes George on the next field. This field is done. And our test is done. See, I don't know if you can see or not. We got a flag right there, right there. Goes for this 3/4 of a mile there to the road. This is irrigated. Parked in the way so you can't see it. I really feel like on this kind of like fertilized test, you need multiple years to really see what's going on. So hopefully Rhizosorb is up for doing it again, and next year we'll see what it does in corn. That should be interesting. So it'll be the second year for this spot, and it'll be in corn, which is going to need more of that phosphorus. So thanks for watching. Thanks to Rhizosorb for the opportunity to be able to do this test. Love doing tests. See you next time.